Hello everyone, welcome to Archie Affluence. In case you don't find a tailor and you have to be your own tailor as your own lady tailor, how you can adjust your waistline in case you buy any skirts, you find the elastic is loose from the waistline. Very easy. All you need a bit of things. One scissor, small scissor is more better I think, but right now I have only one big scissor. Other than a scissor, you need elastic. In case you are going to reduce the waistline, you might not need the elastic because you might just gonna use the same elastic and just cut it. I will show you how to do that. Or in case you need to increase the waistline, you might need elastic like this. Needle pack. Well, one needle is enough, but I still have a needle pack, any needle pack, obviously a thread. So 3-4 things you require when you are going to adjust your waistline just like a perfect tailor, because nowadays there are two people who are rare to be found. Number one, the best tailor. I always struggle with finding the best tailor. And number two, the best hairstylist. I never get the best hairstylist. I am still searching for it. Who can do my hairs and rock my world. Unfortunately, I haven't found any so far. So I became my own hairdresser and I became my own tailor. Sometimes, not always. Sometimes your clothes do need a proper tailor, but this time I think you can be your own tailor, ladies. So let me quickly show you what I'm gonna do today. Let's go. So here is my beautiful long skirt. As you guys should know, the maxi dresses are so in and so on trend. You can go for a long skirts, you can go for your maxi dresses, and they look so stylish for especially summer season. So here I'm having a red, I'm sorry, that's how it keeps coming out. I can't fit into this waistline. Red satin skirt. I haven't got a chance to wear it even once. My size is small and this, when I bought it, is medium size. Unfortunately, they delivered it medium. I ordered for small, but something happened in the online and they delivered medium size and it just could not be returned. That is why I'm not giving you the name of the site from where I bought it, because it was such a disappointment. They delivered me a different size than what I ordered. Anyways, now the thing is, I like this skirt so much that I decided I'll keep it. And I decided I will adjust the waistline. What if this, just removing the hanger, what if this waistline can be made to my size? Now it doesn't look like it's almost the double of the size I am right now, but I'm gonna change this waistline to my size. Half of them is elastic from behind and the half is not elastic. So this is the part you have to be careful. Only the elastic waists you can do. There will always be a splitting. Just go behind it and just see there is always a splitting line. This is a long scissor. You might need a small scissor. I need to find a divider line. This is the divider line. I will try to open it and I will pull the elastic out from here. So since this is a big scissor, I'm not gonna ruin my clothes. I'm gonna find a small scissor. This is my weapon section. I just took out a small scissor from my nail kit. The divider line needs to be opened, so they have sewed it. I'm just removing it slowly. Make sure you don't cut the skirt or you don't damage the cloth. Now I'm slowly opening it. I want to see the elastic. Well, this is the technique I learned from one of my darling friend. She's such a sweetheart. She used to do that and she was here and she used to do that for me. Thank you so much. Use your needles to do the dirty work. I will cut the excess part. This is the extra part which I need to get rid of. But before cutting that, I will make sure that this elastic is not twisted. If it is twisted, please make sure you adjust it, because sometimes it gets twisted from inside and that will not be a good show. So I will just check it out. You need a pen Let's take a grab of this elastic. Come on, elastic, come on, we need you. This, so I'm gonna cut this piece of clothing, which is fine. Okay, done. Ta-da! Well, I cut it very badly. Don't cut it like me, I cut it really badly. But here is this the end part, and here is what I'm gonna stitch to it, and then I will close it from inside to get the final look. You can see this part and this part. I'm gonna sew both together, rejoin it through stitching. You can skip this step. I'm just taking a safety pin so that it will not run away again inside. I'm just clubbing it. This is the thread. You can take any thread, doesn't matter. Use the thread I will put inside my needle. Your saliva is most useful here. I'm gonna remove this safety pin, but it should not run away. Keep a hold of it. Let's start. Now whatever sewing technique you have, you can utilize it. Well, I don't have many. It was back in the school days when we have one SUPW class where I never performed. That was an exception to this class. But anyways, old stories, not so golden. Clubbed both of the elastics together. Let's focus. Whatever the part you have unsewed, just sew it back for a good finish. Well, you can skip this because nobody is gonna see it from inside, but I will still sew it back. I don't have a red thread, unfortunately, so I'm just using this blue thread. In case you have the same thread, you can utilize that one. And I'm closing this channel. I'm closing this channel, not my channel, okay? What were you thinking? No. What were you thinking? Dress is ready for me to wear. Subscribe my channel, Archie Affluence. You can find me on Instagram. Till then, take care and